Talofa lava. Day 1. Today we are learning about colors. Color in Samoan means Lanu. Are you ready? Repeat after me. Mūmū. Mūmū in English is red. Lanumoana. Moana. Moana in English is blue. Lanumoana. Samasama. Samasama in English is yellow. Lanu Samasama. Meamata. Meamata in English is green. Lanu Meamata. Ena. Ena in English is brown. Lanu Ena. Uli. Uli in English is black. Lanu uli. Pae. Pae in English is white. Lanu pae. Moli. Moli in English is orange. Lanu moli. Piniki. Piniki in English is pink. Lanu piniki. Violet. Violet in English is purple. Lanu violet. So, kids, are you ready to count our colors? Yay! Okay, let's count together. Mūmū, red. Moana, blue. Samasama, yellow. Meamata, green. Ena, brown. Uli, black. Pae, white. Moli, orange. Piniki, pink. Violet, purple. Delay.